Hello everyone. Today we make feuilletin palette, and this, as you know, we use it in many delicious dessert. So together we start to make this beautiful feuilletin. Please, if this first time to watch my channel, I will be happy if you make subscribe, and when you watch a video, please make comment. It's very simple recipe. 200 gram butter, 200 gram icing sugar, 90 gram almond powder or almond flour, 120 gram of all-purpose flour, 70 gram of egg white. We take the butter and we put in microwave, or you boil in hot plate, so whatever you want. Now I put it in microwave for 1 minute, and as you see, it's boiling. I bring casserole. Be careful because it's hot butter. I use whisk. So first I added sugar, icing sugar to the butter. You stir all together until emulsify. Then we added almond powder or almond flour. You keep stirring to mix all together. Then we added the flour. It's almost like tulip dough, but more tasty. Then finally the egg white. We mix all together and it becomes, when we added the egg white, is very smooth and is very easy to find. You can also use you can use a kitchen aid if you want, but you know, with your hand you can feel the dough and texture. We bring silpa sheet with a spatula. We spread very thin, like 1 millimeter. You can see the silpa sheet. Don't make it thicker, because when it's thicker it's not crispy and the flavor is not the same. I make different type so you can choose and you know the different. Make sure all the level is the same. And we keep continue the other side. Be sure that it's very thin, very fine. The dough is very smooth. Yes, very nice. Then we bake 150 for 7 minutes. 150 degree for 7 minutes. As you see, I make different, very thin and very thick, and you choose which one you can for your operation. Thanks for being watching my channel. I would love to make like and leave your comment, and if you want to know any dessert, any pastry, please write it down. Have a good